She had seen that there was no love in his heart, and as punishment she transformed him into a hideous beast and placed a powerful spell on the castle and all who lived there. If he could learn to love another and earn their love in return, the spell would be broken. If not, he would be doomed to remain a beast for all time. As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope, for who could ever learn to love a beast?
Who does she think she is? Right from the moment when I met her, saw her, I said she's gorgeous and I fell. Her in town there's only she who is beautiful as me, so I made you plans for you and Mary Bell. It's not right for a woman to read, Belle.
You are positively primeval.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Gaston, please stop.
You will marry me, Belle. Today is the day all your dreams come true.
What can you possibly know about my dreams,
wildest imagination could have dreamed. For through a series of strange circumstances, she found herself held captive inside a dark and foreboding castle, inhabited by a very odd collection of characters.
The master will be furious if he finds out what we are up to.
Well, we don't have to tell him, do we?
There is nothing to worry about.
No, nothing. Just our entire future.
Hello there. Be our guest for dinner.
We'll keep it simple.
What are you talking about? What's going on? Come on, Mom. Come along, Chip, dear.
Oh, dear.
No need to worry.
We'll keep it simple. Hi.
Stop! Stop it, I say. Do you hear me? All of you. I said quiet! If we're going to do this, then let's do it.
But of course, we must make her feel welcome.
greatest pleasure that we welcome you